of Open Dance Project and a teacher at Hunter Dance Center, and today I'm going to be teaching you about leg swings. A common progression in a modern dance class is to start on the floor and to take the same concept up into standing. So we're going to do some leg swings on the floor. This comes from Bartenieff Fundamentals, which was a movement practice developed by a physical therapist, and we use a lot of the same concepts in our dancing. So we start by laying on the ground, our feet are planted on the floor, and we're going to let our knees fall to one side and let our legs swing out and fall back up. We toss the legs over to fall the other side and back up. When we do Alright, so we're going to take the same concepts we worked on the floor, and we're just going to do them in a standing position. So my arms are out by my side. I'm going to do this slow so we can break down each of the parts. So I shift my weight over to my standing leg. I slide the foot forward, peel it off the ground in rotation or in an attitude position. I let the leg fall. The foot makes contact with the floor, slides past the other foot, and brushes up to the back. When I do this quicker, it has more release and swing, like this.